Now, when Congress investigated this matter, or this former federal prosecutor investigated this matter, he put out a report. And the new General Motors president testified in front of Congress. She appeared on the cover of many major magazines. I believe Time magazine was one of them. And she was quoted as saying that when that report came out, it was probably the saddest day in her 34-year career with General Motors. Because what that report said is that General Motors had a culture. They had a private culture by which they kept problems and defects in its products quiet. And as a result of that corporate culture, the safety of the public in the United States was compromised, because there have been several people that have needlessly died. And that corporate culture needlessly endangered the lives of all of us who could been on the road when this car just automatically stops or the brakes go out, and could kill anybody. So it's a menace to everybody, not just the unfortunate people that have lost their lives. And so she said it was the worst day and the saddest day of her career. And she further said that she wanted this particular company, General Motors, to act more in the sunshine, to bring things to light when they learn them, and that she was going to do everything within her power to change that culture. Now, what the report that the former prosecutor also pointed out was, we have a regulatory body in the United States called the National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration. It's called NHTSA, who is supposed to be the regulatory arm that makes sure that the automobiles that companies put out and make are not defective and they are not dangerous. And when they learn of these dangerous and defective products, is supposed to let the public know. But the report found that the regulatory arm, NHTSA, also had a culture by which they let things go and they let things slide. Had NHTSA taken information that they had readily available to it, they could have alerted the public and consumers all over the country about the problem that existed with these ignition switches in some of General Motors' older model vehicles.